Hey, what's up everyone? Today in this video I'm going to show you how to install OriginOS icons on your Galaxy device. So let's begin. Okay guys, first go to Play Store and search OriginOS icons and look at this. Simply download these icons on your Galaxy device. These icons download link available on description. After download, simply go to Galaxy Store and download GoodLog. Simply download GoodLog, tap and open. Tap on Agree and Continue. Go to Plugins and download Theme Park plugin. After download, simply tap and open. Go to Icon. Tap on Create New. Tap on Icon. Tap on Icon Pack. And look at this OriginOS icon pack. Simply select this icon pack. Simply save. And apply. Look at these OriginOS icons on your Galaxy device. So guys, you also install these OriginOS icon packs on your Galaxy device. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have enjoyed this video, then like, share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching guys. See you in next video. Bye bye.